Welcome to the channel. I've had my eye on this lens for a while now. Finally, it was offered on our local online market. I made a price proposal that I didn't think the owner would accept. But he did it anyway because he saw that he could do me a great favor. €50 plus postage for a very good copy. I have already seen with this photo shoot that there is a lot of quality present. Yet I immediately used macro rings because the standard 1 meter minimum focusing distance is not pleasant for me. I am already very impressed with this lens, but it deserves a second chance to get the most out of it. This is a classic high-quality lens from the non-digital era.